All right, we're going to keep going with number 4 problem in the sense of how to write and find true values of statements. So, when you have converse, the inverse, the counterpositive of the following conditional, what are the truth values of each? If a statement is false, give a counter example. And if the figure is a square, then the figure is quadrilateral. If the figure is a square, then the figure is a quadrilateral. So, identify the hypothesis first and the conclusion. So, the hypothesis would be, if the figure is square, the conclusion would be the figure is quadrilateral. Write the converse, so you're just switching them around. If the figure is a quadrilateral, then the figure is a square. Well, the converse is false. The counterexample is a rectangle is not a square, yet it is a quadrilateral. So that would be our counterexample. The inverse of this. So if the figure is not a square, then the figure is not a quadrilateral. Well, the inverse is false because you can find counterexamples of this is not a square, but it is a quadrilateral, as this and as this. Contrapositive, if the figure is not a quadrilateral, then the figure is not a square. And that is true, right? The contrapositive, negate both the hypothesis and the conclusion of the converse, and write is not true. Go ahead and try 4 on your own. And go ahead and write those in your notes, the 4 problem. Got it now. And from there, we will work on the practice problems.